Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. And for today's episode, I'm just going to show you a setup that I did for a little girl's birthday party. I want to begin by letting you see how I put the centerpieces together. I will have a link in the description below. Basically, I just did 6 centerpieces. Here I am putting the two-way tape on and also adding it to the stick and then putting it together, putting ribbon around the box, decorating it. Then I'm taking a tissue paper. This is what I use for the inside of the box. This is a pom-pom that I'm taking apart. And then coming up, I am going to actually put the centerpiece together. And you can see how it turned out. Now this is how it looked at the event. I have the centerpieces with little paw prints around it. As you can see, the pom-pom paper matches the runner. So this is how the centerpieces look on the table again. And then coming up, this is how the plate, the cup, and the napkins look that are part of the theme. Now, these are pieces that I used on the dessert table. I created this using Dollar Tree items. This is a Dollar Tree picture frame attached to a tapered candle holder with some specialty paper from like Michael's. And even those little pictures are from Dollar Tree. I custom made this banner with specialty paper and 4-inch silver glitter letters. So I just arranged the things on my own table just to kind of prepare me for the setup. And then this standee right here, I hand drew and painted. So again, this is me just kind of testing out the setup of how I was going to set things up at the event. Then in this video, this is like partial setup because I'm still waiting on some cupcakes and other items that are going to go on the table. The cake, waiting to put that out. And then here is the full setup. I didn't provide any of the snacks or cupcakes or anything like that. So only thing I did was to decor the linen backdrop, the linen table, the little stuffed animal decor and balloon columns. So this is how it looked and this is how it turned out. At this time, if you haven't had the chance to subscribe to my channel, I want to encourage you to do so for a variety of DIY projects. Please don't forget to like and share this video as well. I thank you so much for joining me. Until I see you next time, bye.